Good day, grade 6. We are now on the next topic of our lessons in MAPI. This time we're going to focus ourselves in physical education. So we have here in front of you, as you can see on the screen, physical fitness. Physical fitness and health with target and striking fielding games. This is our focus in our physical education. Your body is made up of different components. Each component has its own functions, and these functions can be improved through different activities. To keep your body fit and healthy, you have to know your body's different components and the kinds of activities you can do to improve them. You also have to be aware that there are activities that you should do only minimally, and there are some that you should do often to maintain physical fitness. Before we proceed to our discussion, I would like to present to you our objectives in this lesson about physical fitness. So number 1, can you read with me? Identify the components of fitness. Number 2, explain the importance of the physical activity pyramid guide for Filipinos. Number 3, demonstrate a warm-up routine. So these are our objectives in this lesson. Take note so that you will be guided. As you can see in the picture, these are the activities of the children like you, which you are doing every day of your life. Which picture or games in the picture you like it most? And think of the reason why you like it. Is it healthy or not? When we talk about physical education, it is a state of being physically fit and healthy, or physical fitness. Again, I will repeat, when we talk about physical fitness, it is a state of being physically fit and healthy. Also, physical fitness means being able to function effectively and efficiently, and ability of your body to work properly. Physical fitness can be classified into two main components. We have here health-related and skill-related fitness components. Let's talk about first health-related fitness components. These are body composition, cardiovascular fitness, flexibility, muscular strength, and muscular endurance. For skill-related fitness components that will enhance your performance in athletic or sports events, or these components pertain to your motor skills. These are the components in skill-related fitness. First, we have agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time, and speed. To know your fitness level, you need to undergo certain tests to measure each fitness components. It is difficult to measure your entire fitness level with just one test. Hence, each fitness component has its own test for it to be measured. Some tests are more accurate than others. Some tests give an exact number showing your fitness level, while other tests provide estimates based on charts or norms. We have here physical activity pyramid guide for Filipinos. The physical activity pyramid guide for Filipinos is a guide on how often you should participate in certain activities to attain physical fitness. The base of the pyramid, which is at the bottom part of this pyramid, is composed of activities or habitual tasks that most of us definitely do every day. You may not be aware about them, but these activities can improve your overall health. The activity pyramid shows that if you add something extra to this daily task, your health can improve. Next, the second level of the activity pyramid guide shows the activities that you should do regularly, at least 3 times a week or as much as 5 times a week. These activities are your regular aerobic exercises and your recreational activities. Aerobic exercises include brisk walking, jogging or running, cycling, and swimming. Recreational activities include dancing, sports, and recreational play. Next, at the third level of the pyramid is where the leisure activities and exercises are. These activities and exercises are less demanding compared to those in the second level of the pyramid. These activities are done frequently. Next, at the top of the pyramid is composed of the activities you should do list. These activities lead to a sedentary lifestyle. People who follow this lifestyle do not participate in any physical activities. They are known as couch potatoes in colloquial terms. These activities should be done minimally. Okay, so take a look and remember this activity pyramid guide for us Filipinos so that we become physically fit. Thank you for listening, grade 6. And on the next topic that we're going to discuss, you can learn more about how to be physically fit. Thank you and God bless.